Hi guys, we decided to go to Disney Animal Kingdom today, and we're gonna try to go get on Flights of Passage. So let's see how that works out.
I'm gonna see Up.
Oh yeah, April just pointed out we're gonna go see Up also. It's a 20-minute show.
New show.
And it's a brand new show, so we'll stay relevant. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Here they come. Check them out. You see all those birds flying by the Tree of Life? That was cool.
We'll have to ask.
So, yes. It's Doug and Russell.
Up. We're up.
We're at the Up show today. April and I. This is a big step for her because I think she's going to freak out when the birds fly right on top of her head. Let's see what happens.
I might be alive at the end of this video.
We'll see.
For the safety of our performance and our fellow
Hopefully
friends,
I'll be alive at the end of this video.
Yeah.
And from using flash photography.
Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
Hello, my name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Track 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Tell us about your furry
He's
friend!
my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there.
My, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Not right.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi and English. More like English. Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly, we say.
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
You all know this part. Everyone follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Come, roar.
Come, roar.
Wonderful job.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we'll get a travel bag for that.
Shabash, that's great. We have almost everyone here except for one of my good friends. Like me, he's one of the caretakers of the birds who've made Anandapur their home. Please welcome my friend Scott.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the birds' natural behaviors to better understand them. I'm pretty much a bird whisperer. Hey, but you can be too. Have you guys ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Wait a minute, you fed a bird chocolate?
No, you should never give a bird chocolate.
Oh, really?
But she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
I have an idea. Russell, what does this Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Good boy, Doug. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast.
Colorful.
Loud. and big.
Tall, fast, colorful, loud, and big. Sounds like an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Well, great, I think we all are. Are you all ready to meet the birds that call this place home?
Oh boy, let me go get my camera for my adventure book. Come on, Doug.
Hey, look, it's Miles. Russell, Dog, hurry back. Hi, buddy.
Like Marissa said, this is Miles. He's a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. And these birds, they are designed for extreme flying. See, they can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? All right, I will help. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're the person seated on the end of the row here in our lower center section, stand up. Step into the aisle and turn to face the explorer just across the aisle from you. Now, facing each other, raise your arms like this, like the curved branches of a tree. All right, our forest is developing nicely. And make sure your arms don't touch. We want to make a nice big tunnel for Miles to go through. Great, we have a forest. Now, hold it.
Perfect. Now, Miles is going to fly through your arms. So when he does, just remain still and respect our feathered friend. But watch closely. When he leaves my hand, he is pretty fast. Nice job. Okay, thank you. He's going to fly back this way just as fast. Stay right where you are, buddy. Step back outside. There we go. There's our forest. All right. Oh, under the canopy this time. Okay, all right.
Jump on.
There we go. Now you know 6. It's all up to you, okay, buddy? There we go. Now what's great is that really is. Hey, don't judge a bird by its feathers? Yeah, that's a bird joke.
Really?
Sorry. Well, this is Victoria, an African fish eagle, also known as the voice of Africa.
And what? She's even bigger when she flies.
She has close to a 7-foot wingspan, and she uses that to swoop down over the lakes of Africa, grabbing fish right off the surface.
What's amazing to me is that she was this big when she was only a few months old.
And honestly, that's as big as she's ever going to get. But she's still pretty young, and she has that brown on top of her head, and the way you can tell that she was older.
This is one of many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. The great crouch crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
I like the birdies.
Hey, buddy. You want to come on up here so everybody can see a little bit better? There we go. Nice job. Hey, you know what? Do either of you two want to try to feed Fraser?
I do.
Come on over.
He really goes gaga for bird seed. When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's very funny, Russell. Now, he doesn't have hair on top of his head. Those are actually feathers. Everything from the top of that crane all the way down to those gorgeous eyelashes. And that was Fraser Crane.
Okay.
Bald birdie?
Although bald eagles aren't actually bald.
Well, that's right, Russell. They get their name from an old English word piebald, meaning white head.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
Well, yeah, but they're also inspiring. Not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping their populations to recover. Well, I'm happy to say, the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Thank you, Hope. Now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. Ancient mythology from India. A story is told that once the tailed feathers of Lord Peach were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, you know, Russell, there literally are thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world. And you don't have to go that far to find them. See, birds can be found in our own backyards or even our local parks back home. And to get you started on your next adventure, just download the Nature Passport app.
Great idea! Just ask any Wilderness Explorers troop leader to find out more. So you know whether it's a Kevin bird, or an eagle, an owl, a toucan, or peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, Russell, check these birds out.
That's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
Hey, did you guys dance around like that toucan earlier? Well, hey, don't forget about our spectacled owl over here.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh,
The
I love them.
wilderness must be explored. Bye.
So this is the backside of the Tree of Life. I think that's pretty cool. You can see this when you go over into Asia. So you guys might want to see that. It's a real quiet area over here too. So kind of just hang out here by myself. another long day at the Walt Disney Parks. We just came back from Animal Kingdom. Sorry guys, we didn't make it to Pandora. We thought we were gonna be here early. We rolled up to the gate at 8:50. The park opens at 9. And I guess everybody else in all of Orlando decided the same thing. But anyways, so we didn't make it to Pandora, but you did see all the cool other things we got to do today. So that made up for it. We got to see the Up show, which is with all the birds flying over the place. And anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please remember to click on like and remember to subscribe. And if you already done so, I thank you very much. Y'all have a great day. And I thank you very much again.